vlog. So today's gonna be an awesome day. I don't know what we're gonna do, but yeah. So don't forget to subscribe. The phone's ringing. Don't forget to subscribe and like and comment down below. Do you like these videos? I like these videos. They're really cool. I like them. Day 33? I think. Day 33? Man, I need to fix my eyebrows. Eyebrows on fleek, look at that. What? No, I'm just kidding. But yeah. Roll vlog. Uh-oh. What are you doing? Hi, Eminem. Mama kitty, Eminem, Mama kitty.
I just want to get close to me.
Yeah, Mama kitty, blah, 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 blah. I just made them sick. Hi, Mama kitty. Bye. Bye, kitty. I am Eminem. Hi, yeah. Hi, look how big you are. Look at it now. About half my hand, or about my hand is half part. Okay, go eat some more. Mama kitty, over there. Mama kitty, hi. Jumper, hi. What did you?
Sitting on the cover. Ow. I don't want to. Looking away over there. You're just like, ow, 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 ow. He thinks they go in the thing, go under. Ow. He's swallowed now. You need more Dawn dishwasher. Ow, ow. I'm kidding. He's like, for you, I'm not getting you. He's only breathing. Ow, 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 ah. See, he thinks they go like in the bucket and I think they just do that. We're a team. I really hope this is not toxic. They don't taste that bad. Someone like this. I thought I was gonna touch you. Jumper, he's like on his toes. He's on his nippy toes. Ow! Jumper, behind you! Ow! 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 So precious, Jumper. Ow! They're behind you! Really need one of these kids. I swallowed it. Jumper! He's scared. Jumper! Oh no! He looked out this way. What's happening? Look. Be a Star Wars ninja from here. He doesn't want to get hit by him, yet he eats them. No. He went to back up. No, yeah. Get you. What? No. Please. No. eats them. He just like hides. Chica! Chica! He sat on his mom.
Just to go into that bubble.
Ow! He doesn't want to get hit, but he wants to catch him. See?
Ow! He nonchalantly hit one with his tail as he's whipped around. Ow!
What a chicken!
That's a little bit. She's laying on me. Ow!
He's growling at them. Not a little bit, but Jumper. He's like snarling at him.
Blow one at me. I want to eat another one. I missed it. I'll let you do that one.
There's one behind you. There's a cop.
No.
He looks at me and he waits for more. They're all landing behind him. He's got his bubbles all in his hair. Jumper, behind you!
He doesn't want anything to hit me. Shut up, Billy. He doesn't want anything to hit me, otherwise he's staying away from him. He's trying to catch him off guard.
That whip around that was cool.
He stood like this with, he wasn't touching anything. He teamed up on him and he was like, no, no, no. He was like, maybe if I attack this one, I might die, so.
Get off my foot. He said, do me.
He'll eat them if they're in singles, but he won't eat like.
Jumper.
I blew the bubble away. It wasn't like right next to my head.
The one that you, like, blew it around his mouth.
No, I blew it. It went over there. We went into the same bubble. You're gold, Jumper. Hold on, don't blow anymore yet. Okay, you can. We were at the same bubble. We were like right here at each other.
Did you get it?
No, he's sitting there watching it. He's curious. He's. On a little bit. It's scary when he's going at your face.
Speaking of at your face. He got almost all of that one.
I didn't see it.
He's waiting for that one to go away.
squint in
fingers.
his eye though.
Be a dragon jumper. Jumper would be a fierce dragon. Get back up there. Toss him that way for once, thank you. He knows when he'll get too close now. Ah! Ah! Jumper! Ah! Ow!
Jump up.
You see my arm? He was like, oh no. Oh jeez. Ow! Popped my eye.
He saw fire. I guess he felt on top of his head.
Good boy, yeah. Ow! Ah. He didn't know you did that. He was like, what?
He wasn't insert. Don't pop it.
It popped. He was like,
Don't scare him.
I guess it popped on him.
You're always sleeping in bubbles.
My liver is muddy. I'm drinking this bubbly.
We're gonna have to go make more bubbles.
Yeah, because this is priceless.
Jumper up.
Blow some out here.
They moved.